With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. So the question is, for the preparation of cakes, baking powder is used. If at home your mother uses baking soda instead of baking powder, how will it affect the taste of the cake and why? So what is baking soda? Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate. And its formula is NaHCO3. NaHCO3. Now baking soda is basic. It is basic. So this is the reason it is bitter. And we can also show it with the chemical reaction. 2NaHCO3. If we heat it, it will be sodium carbonate, which is bitter. And along with that, this reaction will release H2 plus CO2. And in case of baking powder is made up of 20 to 30% of sodium bicarbonate, and along with this base it has 1 to 2 stabilizers. It has 1 to 2 acids. It has 1 to 2 acids and a stabilizer, or we can also call it a buffer. And whereas the baking soda is only NaHCO3. So if we use baking soda, the cake will be bitter. But in case of baking powder, we have 20 to 30% of sodium bicarbonate plus acids, 1 to 2 acids, which neutralize the bitter taste. They actually neutralize the bitter taste, bitterness. So the next question is, how is baking soda converted into baking powder? This is answer number A, and now we will see the second one. How is baking soda converted into baking powder? So we can convert the baking soda into baking powder by adding appropriate amount of tartaric acid. By adding appropriate amount of tartaric acid. As I've mentioned in the previous answer, that the baking powder consists 1 or 2 acid that neutralize the bitterness. So it is as this. Now coming to the third one, what makes the cake soft and spongy? As we can see in the reaction that CO2 is evolved in this reaction. So the CO2 is responsible for the cake to be soft and spongy because CO2 evolves from baking powder and tries to escape the dough and in escaping it makes the dough soft and spongy. Escaping of CO2 is responsible for soft and spongy cake, right? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.